Now, who would have thought that what you find in your gutter could be a portal to the cosmos? Every day, thousands of kilograms of cosmic dust fall to the Earth, carrying tiny fragments of asteroids and comets falling onto our roofs. Cosmic Dust in the City is a University of Plymouth citizen science initiative that invites communities to help uncover these cosmic visitors. Well, Dr. Stephen Grimes is leading the project to find these micrometeorites.
So they're not shooting stars or big meteorites. This literally is dust. That's a bit like Saharan dust that rains down through the atmosphere slowly and then lands quietly without being observed on rooftops, the ground, in the oceans, everywhere on the planet.
So my question to you is, how do we find these tiny particles that really the naked eye will not see?
Okay, so the best place to look for them is to look on rooftops. Okay, look safely on rooftops.
Thank you for that.
Okay, because they're slightly off the ground. So anything that's landed on a rooftop has travelled through the atmosphere. Okay, you can find them on the ground and in the oceans and in famous places like Antarctica, etc. But in urban environments, on the rooftop is better to find them.
And I see you've brought half your kitchen in with you today, but these are implements that we all possibly have and can help us find these particles.
These are really accessible bits of kit. Okay, so you just need a dustpan and brush to brush the stuff out of a gutter or off a flat roof. You need a bowl to wash it in, okay, to wash away that organic matter, a sieve to get it to the right size fraction, and then a magnet to sort out the magnetic fraction. Because these micrometeorites have got iron in them, so they're magnetic.
Right.
So it concentrates a big set of material down to a small bit of material that you then need a microscope to pick through. So I didn't bring a microscope.
And once we've done that, we're bringing this back to you, are we?
Ideally, yep. So community groups can either donate material to me from their roofs and gutters, and my students at the university can actually process it and pick through themselves. Or if they want to do the processing and picking, then they can do that themselves. And then they can send me candidates, and we can invite those community groups into the university to use the specialist instruments we have, called scanning electron microscopes, to actually look at this material and chemically analyse them to see if they are micrometeorites.
So as many community groups, schools, individuals as possible, you will also give talks as well. And what is the end game here? What are you hoping to find from people's gutters?
It's the opportunity for people to find their own bit of space rock, there's a bit of space dust, okay? So there's the wow factor, but beyond that, there is actually a scientific reason for this. And that is because these micrometeorites originally come from the asteroid belt, and they're really old parts of our solar system. So when the solar system was originally forming, these asteroids were condensing together, okay, and then they hit each other and smashed up. So some of them created this dust, and that dust is coming through. And finding them on Earth now gives us a handle of what's out there in the asteroid belt, and how these asteroids formed, but also what they're made of. Because some of these micrometeorites contain really critical metals that are important to society today. So a group called the platinum group elements, which are really, a bit like the rare earth elements, are really important for our energy transition, for example, at the moment, or for consumer societies, so our phones, etc.
How do people get involved? How do they get in touch with you?
Okay, so we have a website, and the university's created a website. So if you just Google Cosmic Dust in the City, University of Plymouth, as a website, you should come up with a website. Gives you more information about the project, including a little video about how to use all this kit. But it also has a registration form, so you can register your interest in the project, and we will contact you and help you in your search for space rocks.
I'm going to look at my gutters in a whole new way. Dr. Stephen Grimes, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.